Best Manipuri Feature Film, and the nominees are Aigiliki Tamilai, producer Yai Machandam, director Ojit Babu Ninthojam. Akang Benacho, producer Resi Hokchom, director Inauja Kundrapam. Producer Women Against Crime, director Arambam Robita Lima. Kulaksha, producer Ibaru, director Satyajit PK. Samador, producer R.K. Lakshmi Bai Devi, director Inauja Kundrapam. Producer Chinsubam Nilathaja, director Ajit Mukherjee. Aigiliki Tamilai, producer Yaima Chandam, Kulaksha, producer A. Mathangyasila Akanga Nacho, producer Reshi Kokcho, director Inauja Kundrapam.
Goes to Akang Benacho.
Director Inauja Kundrapam.
Film City cast and crew ako sa talagilan ni Purna celebration ni mga na sila yung melody. Ang dalawa ko na si we can see Mr. Minoran Janoya, other crew members, ang mga choki crew and cast.
Không thang